Hi guys, this is the EDC Pocket Dump. New box I got from Walmart. Glock 33 TLR6 in for testing and review. So far so good, works as advertised. I gave it a good chunk right after I installed it. Everything still worked. I'll keep you guys updated. Carry ammo, Underwood XTP. Belt, strap works, stainless steel double D ring, polyweb. Tactical knife, Camillus boot knife. Backup mag in a Phobos paddle holster. Milwaukee Hawkbill knife, Coast AA flashlight, couple backup lithium energizer batteries. Blackweb 10,000 mAh power bank. It's got a 3-watt flashlight on there, about 150 lumens in my opinion. I got it good and soaking wet, so I can say that it's weatherproof. Not sure about it being waterproof, but it's definitely rugged. I gave it the old toss of death right after I got it. Just a little leather case with scissors and a comb in it. Throw in the pocket to keep my epic beard in check. The old safety Bic fire starter. You gotta have a fire starter, man. Don't leave home without one. Rat tourniquet to stop the bleeding, and a Sharpie to write down the time I put the son of a gun on. If you don't have a tourniquet, get a tourniquet and start carrying it. You might be able to save somebody's life. Charging cord and Gerber multiplier, previously reviewed. Thanks for watching.